Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted timeline on Google Maps. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you want to open up Google Maps and make sure your account is signed in. After that, you need to tap on our profile icon at the top right of our screen and then select Manage your Google account. Inside it, we need to look for the option that says Data and Privacy. Simply access it and scroll down a bit until we see an option that allows us to download our data. Once you find it, tap on the Download Data feature, and then we need to complete a few details on Google Takeout. Simply deselect all of them from the top and then scroll down to locate the Location History or Timeline feature. After you find it, make sure that you enable it. Once done, scroll down and tap on Next Step. Now from here, you need to choose if you want to send link by email or add to your drive. After that, you might need to set a frequency of export here. Simply, if you want to see it only once or if you want to export it every 2 months for 1 year. So set everything up and tap on the export button. Now this might take a while, so you just need to wait for the export to complete. Once your export is complete, you can view it in your email. So that's basically how you can recover deleted timeline on Google Maps. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.